So I had myself a visitor yesterday, and normally I would just chuck up the friggin' Rio Links footage. That'd be that, no explanation. Links in the prescription if you're looking for any security cameras, by the way. Yeah, I figure, what's it gonna hurt to just give you, pug1's point of view on this. So just imagine you're in your own freaking place, and I know this looks like it's potentially a business and stuff, but there's no trespassing signs everywhere, private property signs everywhere. But so even if it was a business, what business do you know of where you bypass the no trespassing sign and the door to just drive out into the yard to just go have a Santas? But so let's just say that it is an open for business type of operation where you can just come and walk in and come one, come all type situation. In what scenario would it make any sense that you drive past the door in the building and just go out into the yard where all the guy's stuff is? Completely unannounced too, by the way. Like, I had no idea, I'm expecting a package. So I have my phone set up for the Rio Stinks, Fort Witt, certain cameras, I know when a guy will pull in the driveway because my phone will make a certain sound. I don't even need to be home and it'll let me know. So somebody's pulling in the driveway. I'll look and see, hey, what's going on in Inwood, right? So I'm trying to friggin' edit. I get the notification on my phone and I just look at my phone and I see a friggin' cargo van just bypassing the friggin' building and going driving into the yard. Like I said, I'm waiting for a package. So I thought the notification was, the Yupa stick friggin' showing up, because normally it shows up at 2:00. This was 10:30 or something, right? So I'm like, oh, he's early in this. So I look and then I see this white van, cargo McGillicuddy driving through the yard. And I thought, holy shit. So I just scuttle out into the yard there. And of course, he's made his way all the way to the far end of her. So in my appliance, right, I have no idea this guy's on, if I had some sort of a notification, oh, hey, pug1, this is so-and-so. I'm going to come over sometime today. Are you going to be around? And I would be like, yeah, sure, dude, or whatever. And then I would expect that somebody's going to be here. And then that might be a different scenario. But some random dude I've never seen before in my life just drives into town, drives into he just drove in like he friggin' knew what he was doing. So as you can't hear what he says very good in the footage, but he says, oh, I buy catalytic converters. And I'm just like, so what are you doing in my yard? You know what I mean? What the f*** are you doing? I got pallets of friggin' car batteries. I got bins of this, bins of that. I mean, it wouldn't take 3 minutes to friggin' just haul thousands of dollars worth of my shit to the back of that van and f*** right off. You know what I mean? So, yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. Not in Inwood, buddy. So he tells me that he's buying cats, and I said, and the cats are in the backyard. He says, oh, well, they told me the door was over here. I don't know who they is, but apparently they told him the door was over here. I says, and you thought the door was in the middle of my yard. The pins started knocking out of my hinges, boys. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I mean? Bit of a reputation for not being the friendliest to trespassers. I do. Got myself one. Oh, I know. You can't get in the closed gate, so we'll just go around this way. We'll get onto the other side of that closed no trespassing gate by just bypassing the whole operation. Makes sense. I'm such a dummy. Hey, anybody knows that guy, just tell him I apologize. You know what I mean? Tell him, sorry about that. Come on over. You know what I mean? Hey, listen, I got a few cats. I'll sell you cheap, bud. Right? Just show up in the middle of my yard, and then, hey, if I don't come outside and I don't know you're here, free-for-all Larry, they call him, eh? So how do I know this guy isn't just friggin' on a mission and he's just gonna friggin' fire a bunch of my stuff in there and then I come out and he's, oh, hey, I buy cats and stuff. Well, yippity-ki-yay, bud, so do I. I don't go driving around in people's yards looking for them, though. That's one point. But anyways, boys, so here's the footage. Mind your manners. Mind your friggin' manners, but let me know how I should react, because clearly people have a problem with the way that I react. And by all means, anybody can just drive in my driveway, get out of their vehicle, come to that crazy looking weird red rectangle on the side of the building and ring the bell or knock on it. And yeah, if I answer, how you doing? If not, get the back in your vehicle and drive off. That's how that works. I don't know why people try opening my doors. I don't know why people try driving in my yard. I just don't know. I can't fathom in my appliance what's happening in these situations. So again, help me out. In what scenario is that going to be acceptable? Because maybe I am wrong. Maybe I am just an absolute unhinged lunatic and somebody needs to set me straight. So in other words, like I said, if I came to the door and knocked on the door like a normal human, I don't see there being a problem. How could there be an issue, right? But when you just drive by no trespassing signs and locked gates and friggin' like, I don't understand how you're on the other side of a gate that is clearly locked and says no trespassing both sides of it. That's a funny joke, eh? Explain this to me so that I can understand and don't just lose my hinge pins terrible. You know what I mean? I know it's boys would absolutely be rather be making a video about my truck. I started up, it's fucking awesome as fuck, or something fun, right? Or something fun, but dicks keep showing up here doing stupid shit. Plus the dramatizations, you guys love the dramatizations. You know what I mean? So there's that. That's one point. Hey, that's one freaking point, you guys. But any words? Yeah, I got a couple more wires to hook up, boys, and then we go. Hey, I apologize. Sorry about that. Sorry. What are you doing? You're just gonna drive into my fucking yard? Fuck out of here, man. Get the fuck out, you fucking goof. What are you doing? You just drove past the no trespassing sign into my fucking yard. Why did you do that? The door's over there. You cut the doors out of my fucking yard? Get the fuck out of here, you stupid fucking piece of shit. Just drive into my fucking yard. Fuck you, dude. You fucking asshole. Driving over my fucking driveway. Stupid fucking piece of shit. Stupid fucking piece of shit. See the sign, no trespassing, you fucking goof? See the sign, no trespassing, you fucking goof? Holy fuck, man. See the sign, no trespassing, you fucking goof?